If you are watching this video right here now and you are alive, God has a plan for you. Hi guys, it's been a lovely 1 year. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much to my friends. I want to give a birthday shout out to some people, but before I do that, I want you to know that it's my birthday. Yes, so my YouTube channel clocked 1 today, and I'm dedicating this video to all my friends that we started this together. I can't mention everyone, like Femi Labi, Snake Dave, Stanley, Merlin, Brahma Fox, my very wonderful housemates, Ifola, AY, everybody that has supported me. I appreciate God Almighty for keeping me safe and sound till now. Safe, I mean, and when I say safe, the few people that are very close to me understand what I mean by safe. God has been so good to me for keeping me safe, and that I'm alive today. I didn't know that at some point it was so tough. I didn't even realize, I didn't really know that I was going to make it till another year again. I remember I started this YouTube channel on my birthday last year, and so many things happened. I had to leave. You guys didn't know where I was at some point, and yes, everyone, thank you for checking up. I want to thank my mom, my family. I want to thank some organization that has been really, really, really there for me. I want to thank God Almighty, like I said. I want to thank everyone that has been watching my videos, that believe in me, because after a while it was like, okay, let me just continue this channel no matter how hard, because I didn't plan for some things, and I just want to say thank you. I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous actually. I don't really know why. But thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We had 20k views. Thank you so much for that. Even though at some point I was not consistent, and we still managed to have 20k views. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Remember what this channel is about. It's about beauty. It's about in and out, beauty in and out, because you cannot truly glow if you do not have inner peace and you're not old. Speaking of oldness, you can ask me about it. I've been there. Panic attacks, anger issues, a whole lot of things that we are dealing with and battling with in our lives, and we don't even realize it. We don't know it is eating us up, and we put on makeup, we put on fake smiles, and then we expect everything to be all good, and then we come back to the house, and then we can't even live with ourselves. A whole lot of things that happened in the past 1 year, from the EndSARS movement to people dying to kidnapping. And if you are watching this video right here now and you're alive, God has a plan for you. And that is why I just wanted to base this YouTube channel on beauty and mental health. And you've seen them. They are on my YouTube channel. You can check it. I've produced Scarlet. I'm very passionate about domestic violence and child abuse, and that's why I uploaded my short film here. And to God be the glory, we have over 6k views, and thank you guys. I need to even when you guys didn't know where I was, thank you so much for being there. I love you guys. Cheers to 20 something. Love you.